Hey guys, welcome back. This is Archana here, a creative designer for Craftyscrappers, and I'm super excited to be part of Craftyscrappers creative team for another session. So today in this video, I will be showing you how to make fridge magnets using Craftyscrappers product. For the base, I took 4 circle shaped MDF boards and started building layers on each board. So here for first board, I spread Craftyscrappers granular paste using palette knife, and then their mini frame and wooden letters. On the second panel, I spread white gesso using palette knife again. So this way we'll have nice dimensional look as a background, and while the gesso is still wet, I again glue mini frame, metal butterfly and wooden letters and also small size pebbles. I also added few micro beads just to add more interest on the board. And here you can see for the micro beads I haven't added any glue because my gesso was still wet, so it will hold the micro beads very nicely. Moving on to the next panel, I follow the same process, but only for the focal point I use resin angel. And I also applied some granular paste at some places, and adding this paste is perfect to add that texture on the project, and one of my favorite product from Craftyscrap. So here for the focal point I use resin angels, but you can use any other embellishments as a focal point, so don't limit yourself and try to explore and use your stash. Once everything dries completely, I decided to use white gesso for 2 boards and black gesso for another 2 boards. Once the layer of gesso dried, I color one board using Craftyscrappers Shimmer spray, and the shade names are Juicy Watermelon and Tickled Cheeks. These are very gorgeous shades with nice pigments and shimmer. I am a bit impatient, so to make the drying process bit fast, I use heat gun, but if left it dry naturally, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes. I decided to use different shades and mediums to color each one of this board. So next here I use another shade of shimmer spray. I choose same family shade so it will create nice darker to lighter shade on the board. For the black gesso, I was a bit curious to try shimmer spray, so I use very lighter shade which I have with me. Okay, I forgot to mention the shade name. The shade I use here is called Sweet Sunshine. It surely added beauty, but not as I expected it to be. Maybe I have to try building layers of this same shade of shimmer spray, but again my impatience comes in between, so I shift over to the shimmer paint because shimmer paints goes very well over the black gesso. As you can see here how lovely finish I got on this board, and I applied shimmer paint using dry brush technique because I don't want it to cover the entire board. And for the last one I use Pacific Crystal and Beautiful Sunset from Craftyscrappers Shimmer Paint range using dry brush technique again. So this one was looking bit dull to me, so just to sparkle it up I use shimmer paste. And finally I added magnet sheet, and this is how I finish these magnets. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. I will be back till then. Bye bye, take care and happy crafting.